Okay, so it's been really busy. I have not put up those clothes yet, Kim, and I have not changed out Miss Colette, my sweet darling, nor Miss Harper, nor Miss Robin. And who are we missing? Who used to always be right there? Well, that would be Jace. He is sold. He has been adopted out. Excuse me. I am so excited to say that he is on his way to Canada. Yes, of all places. I did agree to ship outside the U.S. because there was an extra lovely lady named Marilyn who reached out to me, and she is now the new mommy of Jace. So I want to congratulate her, and I'm super excited to hear from her and what she thinks about him. And she has 2 other babies, so it's super exciting. So anyways, you might be able to tell that I'm feeling a little bit better. I still have it in my chest, and my right ear I still cannot hear properly. So if y'all would send up a prayer on that one. I have to see a specialist in a week if it does not improve, and so we're just going to go from there. But anyway, so Jace is gone. He's bye-bye, and anyways, my exciting news is that we have a baby that is coming to the nursery very soon. And I'm super excited to say that. And I shared pictures with Daddy. He is at a football game right now, which I had to leave due to medical reasons. And super excited. It all happened by chance. I'll tell y'all the story behind him or her when they get here, and we'll talk more about it and why it was just all meant to be. So anyways, guys, I wanted to share that with you. I want to say thank you so much for the well wishes. I think y'all sending me the good vibes. That's what's getting me better. So anyways, guys, we will talk soon. So if you'd like to see more of my babies in my nursery, like and subscribe. Take care, God bless, and love you all.